Hey guys, welcome back to another Z-Pult unboxing. Today we're going to check out the Ulanzi W49LED mini LED video light, and this is around $10 or around 500 online, but in the stores it's around 1,000 pesos. So you would want to buy this online to get it cheaper. So this is a super duper small video light, of course, for mobile filmmaking. Ulanzi Select, and Ulanzi has been really doing great stuff in the mobile filmmaking scene. 3 cold shoe mount used on gimbals, perfect for filmmaking. And as you guys can see, it's pretty small, and look at that rig, really cool looking. Of course, yeah, it says W49LED mini video light, quality item selected by Ulanzi. Unboxing it now. Of course, in the box you get the unit itself and some manuals. Putting that aside, this is the unit itself, and this is what you're getting. So 3 cold shoe mounts, 1, 2, and 3. You get the all plastic kind of build. You get that LED array, and of course you get that tripod, that hot shoe mount for on top of your camera kind of setup. All right, so this is the power controls, and of course you get that battery compartment. So one thing to note here, guys, is this needs 1.5 volts of battery. So actually Eneloops cannot drive this one. Eneloops is only 1.2 volts, and Toshiba, this one is 1.5 volts. So you need higher voltage for your mini LED. And putting it aside, as you can see inside, 1.5 volts. Putting it inside, of course you do get, yeah, double AA batteries here. Pretty small and pretty light still, built of mostly plastic. And opening it now, there you go, that is the light that you're gonna get. And there's actually a couple of settings. So you have, of course, dim light, and of course you get that bright light, and you also get that kind of shimmer and kind of blinking kind of light. So pretty cool. You have several options, and this is the brightest you can get. As you can see, guys, it does, brighten up the scene a bit. So one sample is maybe for this one. So universal clip lens, this, and with the light now. So as you can see, guys, it's more lit up, which is really cool. So none, and then more lit up. That is really cool. So this is the W49LED. Really cool size for something like this. For mobile filmmaking, it's a perfect fit for your phone vlogging. And really cool also that you can just replace the battery here, because sometimes lithium-ion batteries, they die after some time. So having double A's will be really cool because it will be easy to replace it after some time. It's pretty strong also in terms of the light. So really cool. $10. I'm gonna link it down in the comments below if you want one. Of course, use my links down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot. And I'm gonna see you guys for another Z-Pult unboxing. Cheers.